Hi folks, and welcome to Dutchy Cooking. Today we're making beef and broccoli stir fry. So we've got our cast iron wok on the brick built stove. We're just going to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and let that come up to temperature. And then I've got 400 grams, that's 14 ounces of flank steak, which I've cut into strips about 1/4 inch thick. We're going to let this steak cook for about 2 minutes, 1 minute either side. So as I'm cooking this steak, I can see a lot of moisture coming out of it. Not too happy about that because we're not so much frying it as stewing it, but this moisture will make a great sauce. So that's approximately 2 minutes. And our steak is ready. So we're just going to remove this from the wok. We're going to save all those juices. We're going to add another tablespoon of olive oil to the wok, get that up to temperature. I'm going to put a timer on this to see how long it's going to take to cook. So first off, we've got 1 handful of broccoli stems, 1 handful of tender snap peas. Just give them a good stir around. Oh, one's gone away. Get it back in the pot. So that's our first minute gone. Now I'm going to add 2 chopped garlic cloves. Next in is 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. You can use fresh ginger. Give this a good stir around. Keep it moving. So now that's the 2 minute mark. Back into the wok goes the beef with those juices. Just after the 2.5 minute mark, we're going to add half a cup of soy sauce. Quarter cup of honey. Give these another good stir in. Just at the 3 minute mark. We're going to add some seasoning now. We're going to go with 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, And as there's a lot of salt in the soya, we're just going to add half a teaspoon of salt. Three and a half minute mark. At our 4 minute mark, our beef and broccoli stir fry is ready. So we've served this just on some noodles with a nice sprinkling of sesame seed. So this is Dutchy's beef and broccoli stir fry. If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.